Hello everyone, welcome back to Average Joe Watch Reviews, where we do more than just watch reviews. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the battery of the Casio G-Shock. And as you might have heard, a few screws actually came off of the back because I wanted to loosen them up for you. I got these screws off with absolutely no problem, and I will take them off for you here. All you need is a simple screwdriver that you can buy even at I've even seen these at the dollar store. And then the case just simply comes off. Guys, this is my dog Pitsy here. She just got out of bed, and she didn't bother even taking the cover off herself. How you doing, Pitsy? You good girl? You always see Jackson, but you never see the old girl Pitsy. So there she is. That's my second dog. She's 12 right now, and she's doing pretty well, so she's going back to bed. So this is my first time opening up the case, and it looks like we have a little protective covering here. This helps with its robustness. Okay, that's cool. So we take that off. Now we have a little thing right here. Let's take a look at what that says. After battery replacement, you need tweezers and you need to touch AC and negative. AC is right here and negative is right there. Okay. So the battery is actually right here. This is the battery. And in order to get this off, I need to at least take a look and see, does this whole case come out? So you can actually lift the whole movement. You can actually lift the whole movement out. Take a look at that. So there's your G-Shock. Okay. There's the back. I have the whole movement out completely. Okay. Take a look at that. There's the front. How interesting is that, guys, huh? Take a look at the front. That's your LCD screen. Okay guys, after a few minutes of trying to figure out how to change the battery, or at least get this cover off, it seems that you have to just squeeze this in and then it seems to pop out, just like that, okay? And once you pop that out, you can then just get the, finagle the battery out with a non-metallic tool. I would simply recommend that so that you don't short the system out, and then you can just simply press this back in. There you go, guys. That's how you change the battery on the Casio. I know it said to press this, but I didn't have to do that because I never took the battery out. Hey guys, towards the final step, when you're putting the case back in, or the movement back in, you want to make sure that all of your pushers are being properly set. So you got to take something here and just bring this back, just like this. Hold on. Bring it back and boom. See how it clicks into place? You got to do that on all four corners. Okay? Do it on all four corners. So these actually go back and they fit into the pin, so that before you do anything with your watch, make sure it's working. So make sure your modes are working, okay?